Okay, now you can check your answers on the back of page 66. At the top, number 9, a land surface is earth, E-A-R-T-H. A horse-like animal is a donkey, D-O-N-K-E-Y. Number 11, a food made by bees is honey, H-O-N-E-Y. Number 12, low land between hills or mountains is a valley, V-A-L-L-E-Y for valley. At the bottom of the page, you were to circle the correct spelling for each word, then write the correct spelling on the line. Number 13, money is spelled M-O-N-E-Y. Herd is spelled H-E-A-R-D. Herd. E-A-R-R. Search is spelled S-E-A-R-C-H. Search. E-A-R-R. Number 16 is learn, and it is spelled L-E-A-R-N. E-A-R says learn. Now I want you to go back and make corrections on any mistakes you had on the back side of your paper. You can go back on this video if you need to see the answers, but I do not want any misspelled words, and I want you to use your very best handwriting.